My name is Patsy and I live in York Falls. We're close to the North Pole. It's cold up here, we get a lot of snow. So I used to be so cold in here because of the floor. I was freezing like all the time. And I was happy when I found the program online on Facebook. And I was skeptical at first. So was my husband, but then I decided to check out and be more thorough on it. And it was just emails back and forth and a few phone calls. It was really simple. Because our income between myself and my husband is on the lower range, we qualified for this program for free. So I qualified for, the upstairs insulation, the basement insulation, and any other things that the guy could do, like sealing the doors. And the girl had given me the number of the contractor. So she says, you could call him up and talk to him. So I did. When the guy came, he was super nice. They clean up after themselves. They don't leave anything. They're very respectful to your home. And my husband, he was so happy when he didn't have to lift a finger to do all this work. All he did was point to the guy, okay, that's where the basement is, that's where the attic is. And there was such a difference in the heat, and everybody that came to visit here noticed it as well. I think the best thing about the home winterproofing program is it's free. Totally free. It doesn't cost you a penny, it doesn't cost you $1, it doesn't cost you anything, it's just free.